Today I have this circular floral wreath frame that I am using to trace out a piece of cardboard. I now have this wrapping paper that had some cute Christmas theme little signs all over it, and I'm using the same wreath frame to cut out a circle out of here as well. I'm going to take my cardboard and I'm going to use some glue sticks and a glue gun and adhere some glue to my cardboard and attach the wrapping paper. I'm now going to take my wreath frame and do the same thing. I'm going to cut off any excess that's hanging out the back of the cardboard just to tidy it up. I found these earmuffs at the dollar store and grabbed about 5. And you're going to need a wire cutter to clip the ends off. And I basically just glued the earmuffs all around the edge. Also at the dollar store, I found this little reindeer. Actually, it came in a pack of 2, a little golden crystally reindeer. And I just basically glued his body to the wrapping paper and the cardboard. I found some ribbon, also at the dollar store. And I made myself a 6-loop ribbon. Guys, if you're not good at making bows, that's fine. Just pick up one that's already made. They look just as good. But this is a 6-loop bow. I glued it to the bottom, just underneath the reindeer. And then I found this mistletoe also at the dollar store, and I basically cut off the greenery at the end and the hanging bell. And I glued that to the center of my bow. And there you go. I took a piece of the leftover wire from one of the earmuffs and I glued it to the back as a hanger.